Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Watch out! Camp, get out of here!
This is it, my last offer. You buy one tire, I give you 7 snow tires for...
Huh? Jin, something wrong? Looks like there's another beehive that needs to be moved.
¡Son tubos de escape!
Gracias, niñito. El primero en California se queda con Tainoco, todo para él.
¡Ah, no! ¿Cómo creen? ¡No!
Correcto, hay que ir recto. ¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Nope, 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 nope,
I
nope,
think
nope,
we
nope.
all know the...
I made that Sterling fella a Texas-sized offer.
So, you ready?
didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face.
I feel bad about Rogie. I think we were a little hard on him.
Hollow! There's a dirt track there. That's what I need to race against actual race.
With my trailer. I parked it over your sponsor's tent.
What?
You gotta make your personal appearance.
No.
Boy, you're in a heap.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
Yeah, your job's pretty easy today. All you have to do now is stand there and let me look at you. Listen, I'm...
Not my town, don't.
Not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming! Whoa, no.
To help you. As your sponsor, yes, but also as your friend. Your racing days.
Jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come out.
I don't know how to use the car wash here.
Look here, boys. We got us a couple of rookies. I'm gonna call you Muddy Britches, and you...
Pitch it hard, break it loose, and just drive it with the throttle. Give it too much, you'll be out of the...
Nice costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.
Check it out! They let me to keep the rockets.
I'll see you at the finish line.
Francesco, well, you to be far away from home is not easy.
Thank you for...
I never properly introduced myself. Finn MacMissile, British Intelligence.
Co-mater.
I hereby dub thee.
But coaching you, I'd never seen the old grump so happy.
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but
Well, I create feelings in others they themselves don't understand, and blah, 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 blah.
I'll stay as close as I can. Your suit will transmit your speeds to Hamilton.
Fine, whatever. Let's do this.
Piston Cup. Does the King, Strip Weathers, have one more victory in him before retirement?
These bandana coats.
Expanding, causing the engine block to crack under the stress, forcing oil into the